Preparation before flight. Gyroscope calibration. Long press the left button for 3 seconds. Drone lamp quick flash for 2 seconds. GPS compass calibration. Long press right button for 3 seconds to initiate GPS compass calibration. Drone LED light turns from slow flash to quick flash. Pick drone up and rotate 3 circles in horizontal direction. And then rotate 3 circles in vertical direction. Put it on ground. After GPS searching, drone lamp stop flashing, means geomagnetism calibration is successful. Frequency pairing. Put the left joystick to lower left corner and the right joystick to lower right corner. Unlocked the engine. One key takeoff, one key landing. Players can operate it easily to start the drone and call back the drone. Once the Follow Me function is activated, no matter where you go, drone will follow you within the range automatically. Equipped with angle adjustable HD Wi-Fi camera. Enjoy infinite fans of flying and shooting. Wi-Fi real-time video transmission. Drone equipped with air pressure barometer, high-precision gyroscope. Improve the safety of flight.